Want Google Sheets to change cell colors automatically? Here's how to do it. First, select the cells you want to format. Click Format in the top menu, then choose Conditional Formatting. On the right panel, choose a rule. For example, if the value is greater than or equal to 60, make the cell green. Click Add another rule. If the value is less than 60, make it orange. Add one more rule. If the value is less than 40, make it red. Click Done. Now try changing a number. The color updates automatically. You can use this for grades, dashboards, or reports.